Me and Memphis Mackenzie are going on a nature trail. And we're gonna hunt for dead bugs.
No.
We're not gonna pull it off. Let's just touch it. Here. Let's touch them.
I found a fox.
I seen it too. Oh. Where's the queen at?
Somewhere on the ground.
Oh, she's not over on top of the ground?
No. And she has a big booty.
Look how busy.
Oh, see?
Yeah. One.
Which one is the best one? This one.
Nah.
That's the smallest.
Well, then get it. Does it look like a little pine cone?
Yes.
What is that?
You got a long way. I am Groot. Got down.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see your leg. Hi. Hi.
Hi! Wave! Watching this possum decay, and we are going to try to get a tooth.
Okay.
Hold on.
What you gotta
Do
do?
you want a claw or a tooth?
A claw.
Will it bite? You want me to do it?
I want a claw.
No. Ah. Ew. They're not loose.
We need pliers.
Ah, makes me sick.
We need pliers.
No. Ew.
Let's get pliers.
Let's get hand sanitizer. Ugh.
pliers.
All right, next trip. Ugh. Oh, beautiful, beautiful moth leaves, and I think we'll put them in the box. There's two.
That looks like an eye.
They do look like an eye. That would fool an animal, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Cool. Did you get it? Uh-oh. Broke the leaf in half.